Good morning, ma'am. My name is S. Ashok Kumar Reddy from CSC A branch. Today, my topic is about vector identities concepts. What is vector identities? Explanation of theorem. Del cross A bar cross B bar is equal to del dot B bar into A bar minus del dot A bar into B bar plus B bar dot del A bar minus A bar dot del in B bar. Vector identities in what follows, xi is a function and v is a vector. Divergent of curl v is equal to del dot del cross v is equal to 0. Divergent of curl mu is equal to divergent of del cross mu is equal to 0. Curl grade xi is equal to del cross del xi is equal to 0. Formula for vector identities. We use the vector identities del cross A is equal to del dot A minus del dot del into A, which is true for any vector A, and an assumption that the divergence of the electric field is 0, namely del dot E is equal to 0. Dot 5.12 del cross E is equal to del dot E minus del dot del E is equal to minus del 2E for the right side of equation. Types of vector identities. There are two lists of mathematical identities related to vectors. Vector algebra relations regarding operations on individual vectors such as dot product, cross product, etc. Vector calculus identities regarding operations on vector fields such as divergence, gradient, curl, etc. If A bar and B bar are vector points function, prove that if del cross A bar cross B bar is equal to del dot B bar into A bar minus del dot A bar B bar plus B bar dot del A bar minus A bar dot del B bar. Solution. Del is equal to, the formula of del is I bar dou by dou x plus J bar dou by dou y plus K bar dou by dou z is equal to, simply we can write summation of I dou by dou x. Solution. Del is equal to I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k bar dou by dou z is equal to summation of I dou by dou x. Now we take the LHS side del cross A bar cross B bar. Summation of I dou by dou x into A bar cross B bar. Summation of I into dou by dou x of A bar cross B bar. Summation of I into dou A bar by dou x cross B bar plus A bar cross dou B bar by dou x. We have to, using the formula, divide the formula. Now summation of I bar cross dou A bar by dou x cross B bar plus I bar cross A bar cross dou B bar by dou x. Now we have to assume that I bar is A value, dou A by dou x is B value, and B bar is C value. By using the formula A bar cross B bar into C bar is equal to A bar dot C bar into B bar minus A bar dot B bar into C bar. We have to substitute the formula. Summation of I bar dot B bar into dou A bar by dou x minus I bar dot dou A bar by dou x into B bar plus I bar dot dou B bar by dou x A bar minus I bar dot A bar into dou B bar by dou x. Summation of B bar dot I bar, we have to, using I bar dot B bar is B bar dot I bar dou A bar by dou x minus I bar dou by dou x dot A bar into B bar plus I bar dou by dou x dot B bar A bar minus, we have to, I bar dot A bar is changed to A bar dot I bar, both are same, dou B bar by dou x. Now summation of B bar dot I bar dou by dou x into A bar minus del dot A bar into B bar plus del dot B bar, summation of A bar dot I bar dou by dou x B bar dot del into A bar minus del dot A bar B bar plus del dot B bar into A bar minus A bar dot del B bar. Now B bar dot del into A bar minus del dot A bar into B bar plus del dot B bar into A bar minus A bar dot del into B bar. RHS is equal to del dot B bar into A bar minus del dot A bar into B bar plus B bar dot del into A bar minus A bar dot del B bar. Hence the RHS is proved. Both LHS we have to take and we have to prove that RHS. Thank you, ma'am.